Dr. Marco has been a lifesaver for me. I started playing football back in the mid-1960s and played the game competitively for, good gracious, 9 years, and I was a linebacker and gave a lot of shots. I really enjoyed the hitting aspect of the game. One morning, about 9 or 10 months ago, I woke up and I was in more pain than I've ever been in my life. And I've been through 7 knee operations, so I know what 2 knee replacements on all that on one knee. So I know what pain is. But this pain was as such that I couldn't move. I couldn't move my head, couldn't move my neck, couldn't get out of bed. It was like my whole body was paralyzed. And my brother had told me earlier about Dr. Marco, and because he had been going to Dr. Marco for quite some time, and he also played football. So Dr. Marco put me back on the path of health, I guess you could say, and I feel like 100% better now. I have little flare-ups every now and then, but that's to be expected with the type of damage that I've done to my neck. And there's quite a bit of damage. Going into the technical part of it, I can't really explain everything that's wrong with it, but it is a mess, and I feel like 100% now, and I don't know what I'd do with that. That Dr. Marco's help. So my recommendation is, if you're hurting anywhere on your body, especially the spine, the spinal area, he's the man. He's definitely the man. I believe in him 100%.